on the beat.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I told you, like in my last video, I said I was going to do a unboxing of the cold air intake I got. So let's begin. So sitting right here in front of me is the AFE powered GT Momentum cold air intake for a 2011 to 2018 Dodge Challenger RT. And when it becomes nicer outside, we're gonna put this thing on. So let's get back into the box and see what we got. All right. So the first thing we got is your box where your filter goes into, and all the other fun stuff that they put in it. So here's your box that you get. This is where your filter goes into. This hole right here is if you have a Hellcat or a Scat Pack or anything like that that has the air inlet in the headlight. This is where you would hook that up to. But since mine doesn't have the inlet in the headlight, we're gonna block that off when we do the install. So there's the box that your filter goes into. Here's your hole, or here's your plug. This is the plug that goes inside your box to block it off, since we don't have an inlet to the headlight. This right here is your tubing. It goes on, one end goes on the throttle body, and the other one comes out onto the main tubing for the air intake. Right here is your seal, and we'll be using this. Your seal goes on the bottom of this right here, and then this part right here sits down inside your engine bay. So we got those parts. So here's your tubing. This right here. So basically this end right here goes into the box where your filter's at, and then this part right here, along with this, goes to your throttle body, and then your cold air sensor will fit right in here. And then you have a hose that goes off the intake into here. Then the best part is your filter. Now, what I did, I bought the wrong filter, because this one needs to be oiled, but it's already pre-oiled. But the one I wanted to get was the dry, where you didn't have to do anything. So, I mean, not much of a difference, but you just got to keep it oiled every time you clean it. So, this is your filter. This goes inside your box, like so. And it's a pretty nice filter. It actually looks better than the one I have in there anyway. And then you got your clamps in here, and you got rubber grommets that you will be using to put all this stuff together and bolt it down and stuff. And then these guys were so kind enough that they sent me a couple stickers, and they sent me a AFE Power Advanced Flow Engineering license plate holder. So, and of course you got your instructions that come with it and all this stuff. But like I said, as soon as I find a nice day, it may be tomorrow, it may be whenever I feel like I need to put this thing in when it's nice out. We'll be going ahead and installing it, and there will be a video following that to do the install on this cold air intake. It's been a while since I installed a cold air intake, but we'll definitely get it done. It doesn't look that hard. I looked at the instructions and stuff already, and it's pretty easy. It's just all about time consuming. So if you guys enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed the unboxing video, kind of get a point of what to expect when you order one of these, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and stay tuned for the install of it. So that'll take a little bit more time, but we'll get it out to you. So anyways, guys, you guys have a good one. Like always, be safe, ride safe, drive safe, and all that other fun stuff. See you in the next one. Deuces.